Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick Instagram tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to find all the posts you've commented on using the Instagram app on your Android phone. This feature is useful if you want to revisit, manage, or delete your old comments quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Your Activity. In the Activity menu, tap on Comments. This will display a list of all the comments you've made on Instagram posts. If you want to delete any of your comments, tap Select at the top right corner. Choose the comments you wish to delete, then tap Delete at the bottom of the screen. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete again in the pop-up. That's how you can easily find and manage your Instagram comments on Android. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.